Hey, so is Sellerboard worth it? In this video, I'm going to share my sincere answer with you as a real user of Sellerboard and as an Amazon seller. Also in the description, I'm going to have a special link for you that helps you score 2 free months trial of Sellerboard instead of the normal 1 month that the guys can offer to you. Because I'm an affiliate, I can offer you the special kind of 2 month free trial. And in case you ever do business with Sellerboard, I'm gonna get a little commission from Sellerboard at no extra cost to you. In this way, you can help me keep my content free for you forever. So thank you very much. The link is in the description. Now, is Sellerboard worth it? In my opinion, it is worth it because it helps you track your profits on Amazon. If you're not using any software for profit tracking, and if you're not even using any Excel spreadsheets or whatever, then you won't really know how much money you're eventually making on Amazon. And this can be really hard when you're running a business. Agree with me or not, right? So what I can offer to you is the next thing. I have a tutorial for you down in the description that helps you understand how to use Sellerboard. Here, myself, as you can see, with Jenny from Sellerboard, we have this 1 hour and 15-minute tutorial that shows you how to use all the parts of Sellerboard. We go in depth into the tool and show you how to understand all the numbers here, how the tool exactly can help you. Basically from A to Z overview of this pretty cool tool, Sellerboard. So this will help you understand how to make the most out of it. And again, it is worth it because it helps you understand your true profits on Amazon. Now, also this tool works for Shopify sellers and for Walmart sellers. So what's interesting for Shopify, also I have a special link for you down in the description, 2 month free trial. And also this video with Alex from Sellerboard, where we go and dive deep into Sellerboard for Shopify, 38-minute video. And again, here we show you how this tool can be utilized for Shopify, how Sellerboard can be utilized for Shopify specifically. And also recently, guys have this Walmart option. We still don't have any content for Walmart, but in case we do, I will update it in the description of the video. Maybe there's going to be special offers for Walmart sellers as well. Another cool thing I have to share with you is that Sellerboard offers you this demo option. What does it mean? So if you go again to the link in the description, click on the link, get to this page, you have this demo thing here. Let's open it up. Now, demo helps you see a full demo account of Sellerboard without logging in, without anything. And you can try it out yourself. So you can see your today's kind of sales. This is, by the way, again, a demo account. This is not real, just numbers to help you understand how to use the tool to feel it. Okay. So today's sales, yesterday's sales, you have different products here. You have the cost of goods, and you can see your actual net profits, margins, return on investment, and many other things. So again, to understand better how to use all that, use the tutorials in the description. And in my opinion, it is worth it. We've been using kind of this tool in our Amazon business for many years. It's pretty interesting how it can help you track your sales, track your profits. And I do recommend using it because it's a legit tool in my opinion. We've been using it and it does help us track our profits, our net profits on Amazon, which helps us eventually understand how much money to allocate to new product, how much to take home, because otherwise it's pretty hard without such software because you're seeing your sales on Amazon, but you might have sold like $10,000 worth of products, but you've had this many refunds and your cost of goods is such and such. And eventually from those 10K sales, your profits are maybe very low, lower than you think, or maybe higher than you think. So for this, such software can be useful. So again, I'll leave a 2 month free trial in the description for you. And also here on the screen, I'm gonna leave a video that explains to you and kind of answers the question, is Sellerboard accurate? Because for all those numbers kind of that are appearing here, is it really accurate? One of the questions that pops up. Check out that video and check out the comments of that video as well. It's interesting what people write. And yeah, check it out. I'm using it for my Amazon business and I enjoy it and it's helpful. So again, also the free trial is in the description. I'm wishing you a great day. Be well. Good luck to you in your business. Be well.